This is the Holiday Cora AlphaPix Flex 16 SPI output ready-to-run controller. Now, this controller is a really simple 16 output controller with the AlphaPix Flex. See our other videos for specific information on the operation of this controller. It has the 16 SPI outputs for driving up to 16 strings of lights. This is connected to our pre-attached Pigtails using EasyPlug3, which are compatible with all Holiday Cora pixels. These plugs are all fully labeled and color-coded by voltage and by output number. It's 100% assembled with all the power wire, everything connected. For power, you can use a 120 volt or 240 and US, Canadian, or Australian plugs. It is available in 5 volts or 12 volts.